All right, we're here on the Utah Airguns range. Today we're going to talk about shooting bags and the importance of them and how we're going to use them. My personal choice is going to be the Armageddon Gear Medium with the heavy fill. You can get this same bag with different weights of fill and different style. I prefer the heavy. First off, let's go over how I use this bag on the bench. Front support, you've got a bipod there, and then your bag's going to go in the rear. If you have a lower position, it's easy to use in this form. If you need to get a higher angle, you can always stand it on end. If you need to get the buttstock even lower, you can always go into the crotch. That's why I prefer this one. The versatility of it makes it functional for almost any position from a bench. So now with this same bag, let's show some barricades or positions you can shoot from different obstacles with. Preference for me is I always lay the bag sideways. That way I get as much surface area as possible. Now when the rifle goes on the bag, it's entirely balanced. Minimal feedback from the shooter. Then building the position, I can get on the gun. I can hold the bag, make up any elevation in the front, hold the gun down with my thumb. And this is one of the most solid ways you'll be able to build a position on a barricade or standing positions. Okay, another benefit that this bag has is the notch in the middle. If you have a thin obstacle that you're trying to set the bag on, this makes it way more solid because you can put the notch over it. Get your gun balanced, and it's ready to go. So now you see the purpose of a bag, how it can improve your shooting, and how understanding how a bag works will help you to become a better shooter. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Any questions, feel free to reach out and ask us about bags and what else we have.